Hi Justine. So once again I'm making this video for you, and unfortunately I'm using my Linux box, not the Windows box, and that's why you would see the things differently. But basically I just wanted to give you an idea how to use the Bootstrap. Okay, so I'll just create a small website for you, and probably you can take it further from there. But the first thing first, let's go to the website. I don't have Bootstrap set up in my machine. This is a Linux box which I just set it up. So I'll just go to the Bootstrap. I will download that Bootstrap, and I'll just download this Bootstrap. Download the Bootstrap. Okay, so it already downloaded. Okay, so what we need to do is just take this Bootstrap, okay, where is my Bootstrap zip? Here is my Bootstrap zip. What I'll do is I'll take this, I'll go to my home folder, and I will create a new folder here, and I'll say that my site. Okay, so I will unzip this folder here, extract here. Okay, so what did it give me? So these are all the things here. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'll just open a simple web editor. I'm using a different web editor, and I'm using brackets, so I'll just use this bracket web editor, and we will create the site into this. It's easy, and it would not really take much time for creating a new website. So now what is this? This is a bracket. It's just nothing but a website editor, and I'll create we'll just open that folder where we just created uh, where is my site? Okay, here's my site. So there's nothing in yet. We don't need this zip, so we just say that okay, let it be there. Okay, now under the my site, what I will do is I will create a new file, and that would be just index.html file. Okay, now the another thing which we should keep in mind is this. There is a nice website which has all the different templates for the how to use the Bootstrap. So I'll just go here, and here are the different templates. This is how you can design your website. So which one do you like? Probably I would go by, say, this one. Okay, so when you click on that, it really opens this, and it shows you how you can do the website. I mean, you can do a lot of things. You can use this darkly. Usually I use this darkly. I love that darkly thing. So now, how do you see the code? So you go here, you see the page source, so that will give you an idea. So what this will do, let's just take this. If we take this portion here, I'm sorry, not that good and clicking the thing, so let me take this portion here and go to the brackets, and I would just put it here. Okay, now what we need to do here is you see this two things, bootstrap.com and all that. We don't need that. So actually we need to hook up the the files, and the way you hook up the files is like this. At the end you need to put this okay, I don't have my HTML and all those things defined, which I need to do, so I'll just take my HTML head and up to the body. I'll just take this, and sorry, I'm hurrying up, and that's why probably it might be difficult for you to follow, but I'll explain, don't worry. So let's say this is body, that's it, and then say HTML. Cool. So now you have this, and we don't need this extra script and all those stuff, so just we don't need this. We don't need this. Okay, now where is our bootstrap.css file? So if you see, our bootstrap.css file is here, so I need to change this to the location where I have my bootstrap.css file. So it goes here, and then here, and here. Okay, so that's where my bootstrap.css is. Okay, now bootswatch.mean, I think we don't need this, so because that was from the other thing, so we don't need this. We will have to take out few other things also but let's see. Okay, I need a jQuery too, so I'll have to just go to the jQuery website, and I'll have to get the jQuery too. Just go to the jQuery.com, and it says the download jQuery, so we will download the jQuery now. Which download the map file, production jQuery. Okay, so I'll just take this one from here, okay, where is my jQuery? Here's my jQuery. I'll just copy this to my home and my site and jQuery. Okay, now I have to plug that in in my home page here, you see here. So jQuery is needed. So what I'll just do is, instead of the CDN, I don't know whether you know what CDN means, but CDN is like a global locator for the reference files. So I just go here and say jQuery. That's it, and I don't think I need anything else from here. Let's delete. Okay, now this the good thing about this bracket is, it shows you the live preview of your web page. So this is the live preview. If you can follow my cursor, this is the live preview. So if I click on that, it says okay, and it will show me the web page. Okay, now you see this. This is how now why the actual designing is not here, because I did not include the CSS of Bootwatch, and the some of the script file which they need. If I go and download the this guy has its this bootswatch.mini cs. Okay, if I take this, control C, control go to the brackets, under the CSS, create a new file called bootswatch.css and just paste it here. Okay, so save all. Now if I go to the index.html and I link that style sheet too, so basically I need to copy this statement and put it here again, and this is again a style sheet, but this style sheet would be the Bootstrap style sheet. So Bootstrap and distribution CSS, and where is my Bootwatch? Okay, there is extra character here, that's wrong. Okay, so that's that was my Bootwatch CSS. Now we need to take few more things from the Bootwatch page. We need JS also because they are using the JavaScript for some reason. So I need this Bootwatch mean.js and this. So I'll just click on that, copy all, and go to the brackets, and under the JS, say create new file, bootswatch1.js, and control V, paste everything here and just save it. All done. Don't worry about all the other errors or whatever you get. So this is done. Now still we need one more JS file from their page, so we take that bootswatch.js, take this, go back to brackets, create another JS file, and I will call it bootswatch2.js, and paste everything here and save all. Now go back to index.html. You have already wired up the Bootwatch. Now I need to link these two files, script file. So I would say script and yeah, src equal to I'm sorry, I cannot type properly. Where is my, okay, here, and then JS, and then Bootwatch1, and let's just copy this because there is only one different, that's Bootwatch2. So those two files also I copied. Now let's see if it makes any change to our look and feel. Okay, now if you go back to the page and close all this thing, restart, let us restart. So if I open this page now, let's see how it looks like now. Oh, it's here. Do you see this? There, this is our index.html, and see, everything is functioning. Don't you think it's so easy to do? Now if I want to play around with this and say I'm going to change all these things. So I would say that demo to Justin. Okay, and it's the change is already there, demo to Justin. Okay, and this is the live preview. If you just disconnect the live preview, then you'll have to refresh the page. Now in the themes and in the downloads built with Bootstrap, I can change all those things too. Those are all the tags, so you can go and change the text. Okay, now there are a lot many things which you can do in here, but this is just the simple way I showed you how to wire your HTML. Now these are the things you have to. Now once you have this bootstrap.css wired up in your page, these are all the classes which you can use. Okay, and the way you use your classes, that gives you an idea that how to do the things. Okay, now I hope that this should be good enough. It might be a little confusing, but if you put your hands on it, you can use any web editor. I'm using brackets because I like this web editor, and that's why I'm using it, but you can use any web editor, and you can hook up your Bootstrap and your JS and everything, and you quickly start building the site. And this is not a static site, this is a really dynamic site. You can do a lot of stuff. You can create whole the Wikipedia like this, and it will be a little faster. So just let me know how does it go, and if it's too confusing for you, I'll try to go really basic at how to set up this everything, and probably you might get it. Okay, so thanks, bye.